the winner of the category of Sports Queen, Jackie Celine Asibansuyo. Congratulations. So the question of who looks the best in a bikini, Miss Beach Beauty, ladies and gentlemen, Josiah Nansamba!
Next up, Miss Congeniality. And the winner for Miss Congeniality 2023 is Cherusha Mwakuzi. Rising Woman. And the winner for Miss Rising Woman 2023 is Aisha Nakanja. Give it up one more time. Jerusha is moving with our outgoing multimedia queen. Congratulations. Moving on. The next one is Miss Personality 2023. And the winner is Patience Nasra. Congratulations, Patience. You're the new Miss Personality.
And ladies and gentlemen, in this category of special awards, please welcome our winner for top model, Miss Uganda 2023, Priscilla Namboka. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to all of our category winners.
Congratulations to you all. We'll ask that DJ to turn it down a little bit.
All right.
All right.
I'd like to ask all the ladies to step back into the line, because right now, the moment has come.
Yes, where 21 become 10. A little back history of how the judges chose the top 10. During the boot camp, the judges visit the girls and have a one-on-one. Just get to interact with them and know a little bit more than you know on a stage like this. So, because of that interaction, they chose their top 10. And that's who will be revealing in just a moment.
Ladies and gentlemen, in no particular order, your top 10 contestants of Miss Uganda 2023. The first lovely young lady to make it is...
Sorry? We can't hear you. Let's do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rian Batese!
Congratulations, Rian. You're now in the top 10 of the Miss Uganda 2023 pageant.
Our second contestant to meet the cut. Put your hands together for Priscilla Namboka!
Congratulations, Priscilla. You're one step away to staying in the park for Miss Uganda 2023. You've earned that. Moving on.
Our third contestant to make it to the top 10. Put your hands together for Jerusha Mwamuzi!
Congratulations, Jerusha. 7 spots to go.
Ladies and gentlemen, spaces left.
Yes.
And the moment I mention the next name, there'll only be one more. So, ladies and gentlemen, our penultimate finalists. Give it up for Martha Ademoun! A little bit of silence now, because there's only one question. Fabiola, we've got only one space left, yes. One slot left to represent. Who do you think the final contestant is?
We can't hear you.
We can't hear you. We can't hear you. Ladies and gentlemen, the finalist number 10. Please give it up for Hannah So let's give a big round of applause to our top 10 finalists, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Let's give a big round of applause for all 21 of our finalists. They've done an amazing job. They've had a wonderful journey, but there can only be one winner at the end of the night. So from 21, we're down to 10. Ladies, give a bow. Let's give them a round of applause as they exit the stage. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Can you just do me a favor? I just want to take one picture here with everyone before they cut down to number 5. Okay?
Touch number 4 for me, the shoulder, just the top.
Number 4?
The shoulder, yeah.
Like this?
You want number 4 to make the top 5. Make some noise.
Gira. Bonna bawa gira.
Okay. All right, Mitch.
So,
what's next?
So, finalists of this year's Miss Uganda 2023. We are starting off with of Miss Uganda 2023, Prima The pressure is getting what? Where's that? What are you people teaching the next generation that way? It's getting worse. No, us of the generation of those who speak English, we use vocabulary which is in the Oxford Dictionary. We say the pressure is so thick you can catch it with a knife. Is it boring if I tell you that number 4 is